Here I'm doing this deck, and I showed you earlier what I was going to do, and this is the first section of it I did. And what you always do is you water down the deck, and then you add your chemical to it. And I'm using a product at Sherwin-Williams which is called Super Deck Revive. As you can see what it says there. And what it does is you take off all that old stuff. You can see how black it is. It's coming nice and clean. And the Revive does a nice job. And this is Super Deck Revive. It helps remove stains from mildew, dirt, and tannins. And as you can read there, it's a good product. I use it on the whole deck. It's what I use for a lot of my jobs. And as you can see, the deck looks brand new compared to what this is over here. And I haven't sprayed. This is just water on it. And then, like I said, you spray the chemical on it so it'll sit on there. And you always do that in the sun because over there you can see it's drying up pretty fast. So before I'll put the chemical on, I'll hose that down with water again and then spray it. So that's what it looks like. It's coming pretty good.